Thank you for joining me. Sorry, we are continuing. So the next set of questions, this is not supposed to be here. The next set of question is what is the question? The question is it goes like, was the IAM user that created the bucket the same IAM user that uploaded the ransom note? So the first and foremost, you want to find out what was the ransom note. So there should be a ransom note that was located in a bucket, and you have to identify that bucket. So this is the bucket. Of course, it's not advisable that you open such a file in your environment. So what we do is, I'm gonna download this and then I'll open it. And this is the note. Yeah, this is not advisable, but you have to have maybe a sandbox environment. So this is the notes they left behind, or their people left behind. And then this is the file. All your data belong to us. This is the file they left. This is a file of, this is the name of the file, the txt file, and that is the content of the note. And this will come in handy. So we have deleted all your files and I've taken your customer data, including the credit card data CSV file containing the credit card numbers of every single one of your 10 customers. PS $100 billion. That is ridiculous. So we want to use this name here to query our data. That will be a puts API call on our with the name, with this particular name, like this. So we're going to write a script like this. But first, this will be a long way. So if you're going by the API calls, if you're going to use let's say S3, I already generated a query which I'll just go back and then fetch. So we can look for content of that particular S3 bucket we already identified, which is this restore your data S3 bucket. And then we look at the content here. This is a name, so we can just copy this name and then use it to frame our generator, our query over here. So I'm gonna put this here, and this is going to be our query. So everything is here. So this is gotten from AWS. So you're going to select from this database where the event name is like put bucket and request parameter contains this. So all put objects. So we want to find out whether it's the same user. Okay, all right. Unfortunately, this didn't produce any result because there is no server access login enabled on the bucket. The bad bucket created the restore your data bucket. As the person created it, we didn't actually enable server access login on it. So definitely we're not gonna get anything out of this with using this particular API call, the put bucket API call. Yeah, so basically because of the fact that the bucket wasn't really created by us and we don't have actual oversight over it where we can enable access login, running this script to the put object API call wouldn't actually fetch us any data on it. So that will not be a question we can really answer right now. But the next question will be whether the IAM user was able, that created the S3 bucket, was able to perform any other actions on the account. So this will be zoned down on all activity performed by the IAM user. Already we've identified the user as we have already identified the user as this person. So we want to find out the other activities he performed on the account. So I'll say user identity dot username. So where it's user identity dot username, because the username is here. So just copy this. Okay, all right. So where is the identity dot? Okay, sorry. So this has to be in the quotation. I hope it works out. If not, I'll just go back and check it out. So, all right, great. So I want to find out all the activities he performed. So I can even narrow it down to, let's say, just fetch event names. Event names. So this will be something. Okay, I just wrote the bed. I think this is what AWS provided. So this will be it. And also I've also been able to generate another set of SQL query here, which is this. I run this, also listed, so I can decide to narrow this down a little bit. Maybe okay, events times identity source region. I don't want to have AWS region here. I don't want to see event parameters, and then I'm gonna run it again and see. So so these are the other events the user performed. So he did a put buckets tagging, he created a bucket, he lists buckets. This is the one we use to fetch the first information. And then he listed the buckets, he did put bucket login, and then he did get caller identity. So this get caller identity, AWS explains it as an API that provides information to the caller about the credentials that are currently in use. It's similar to the who am I in the Linux environment. So who am I? What am I doing and stuff like that. So that's the definition. So these are the actions, the other actions performed by the user.